back here. No! Help! Somebody get down. Stop right there. Boys, get him. You okay? I'm okay now. Oh, you got a little grass in your hair. You okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, Nancy Drew. You want a ride? A ride? Yeah, a ride. Hold on, let me call my agent. Yeah, bring it over. Come on, boys. Haul it in. Beep, beep. Let's go, girlfriend. Okay. That was the end of Nancy Drew. Tune in later for more Nancy Drew. Thank you and good night.